An urgent weather message for the following county, Venango County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Forest County in northwest Pennsylvania, northern Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Kennedale, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Kennedale, Franklin, Clintonville, Edmonton, Seneca, Van Knox, Schreiber, Clarion, Limestone, Cook Forest State Park, Somerville. This will impact the following highway: Interstate 80 between mile markers 32 and 90.